Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nia, and I'm back with another video. So today I did this Grinch versus Christmas look for you guys. That's not like the original name. I'm just calling it because I got green and red on my eyes. But I enjoyed doing this look for you guys today. So if you'd like to keep on watching this video to see how I did this look, continue watching my video. Alright you guys, so now that this eye is set and ready to go, I'm going in with the Morphe 39A palette. And I know what you guys are thinking, girl, when are you gonna use another palette? Soon. I'm not gonna say next video, but most likely the video after the next one, I will be using new palettes. I have new palettes coming in. I have more palettes than this, but this palette is just, it gives me more variety than the other palettes that I have, if you get what I'm saying. So don't worry, your girl is going to be using another palette soon. And I'm going to be taking this color, which is called Vivid, out the palette, and that is going to be our transition color. And I'm just taking this color into my crease using windshield wiping motions and bringing the color up also. Now I'm just blending the color out using circular motions. And you guys just want to swoop this color out towards your eye, so we can have that smoky eye effect. So the next color that we're going to be taking out the same palette is this color right here, which is called Vibrant. Okay, you guys, same with this color. You're just gonna swoop out the color into our transition color for that smoky eye. So I'm going back into our transition color, and I'm just gonna blend these two colors out. After you have those two colors blended in together, we're going to be taking this brown, almost black shade at the bottom of the palette, which is called Exposed. And we're going to put this into our outer crease and then work our way into the middle. But do you guys see that pigment though? Once you have that color packed on there, you want to lightly blend out the color around the edges. So I'm going to be taking the same blending brush that I used for Vibrant to blend out the brown and Vibrant together. And this is when you want to lightly start bringing it into your inner corner of your crease. I hope you guys are understanding me because I cannot explain anything right. That's why I hope you guys are actually understanding what I'm doing by just watching me do it. So I'm just taking my concealer to clean up the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to set it with the same color that I used for the base of my eye. To set that concealer in place, we're going to be taking the color Canvas out of the same palette, which is right here. Now it's time to line your eye, and we're going to be taking the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner in the color Vivid Fire. So I've had these eyeliners, I have multiple in different colors from NYX, and What I've noticed about these eyeliners when I've used it, especially this red one, is that as soon as it dries up, it cracks. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, maybe not, but like it cracks a lot. But we're gonna go ahead and use this today because this is the only red eyeliner that I have for right now. I don't know if I can get this on camera, guys. I think I took it too far out. Yeah, I'm not doing this on camera. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna be taking the Sephora, the original Sephora that I always use every day. You guys know the drill, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. So now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep and conceal my eyes. So now I'm going to take my Fit Me by Maybelline in the color Deep, which is the number 35. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take my Morphe Bronzer palette and I'm going to take the bronzer out of it first, and then I'm going to go back in with my contour to contour my face. So I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna use this light green shade in the palette, which is called Fickle, to smoke my under eyes. Now I'm gonna be taking the darker green in my eyeshadow palette, and the color is called Pine. I'm going to be taking my NYX eyeshadow base in the color White just to brighten up my eyes in the inner corner. And for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Afterglow, and I'm going to be using the color ONS out of the palette, which is the one right here. And for lips, I'm taking my NYX liquid lipstick in the color Kitten Heels. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look. I really enjoyed doing this look for you guys. It was super fun, Super creative from me. I really love it. Comment down below if you're here for this bold lip that I have on. This, honey, this red made me feel like I'm Carly Red or something. But your girl, she feeling grown and sexy right now with this bold lip and this bold red background. I don't know, but thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy your holidays. Merry Christmas to you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm on to